Good afternoon, everybody. This is Chris from CMFXPRO. I'm going to look at the conditions of the market up against our indicator. Please stop and read. By continuing, you are accepting these terms. Okay, we're going to start right out with USD Chef. Went off of this previous end of New York session yesterday, low exhaustion. Went down just a little bit and went up. Same thing with the dollar. Went down just a little bit, about 10 points. And took a nice rise. Okay, GU. Let's see here. It was low exhaustion here for a couple of days. This is Sunday. Came in off of low of Asia session. We're right up to New York session and complete reversal. Beautiful reversal right here. EU, same thing. Got high exhaustion drop into Asia. Ranging consolidation off of the 200. Nice rise right to New York reversal area. Nice drop to the 800. US CAD, very nice, well below day range low. Pretty much hit this support level of the previous low exhaustion and pretty much went right up to high of day. Exactly a day range, our day range support mark, and right down to day range low again. A lot of news affecting big spikes. UJ hit day range low out of Asia session, busted right through day range high. We're sitting at some high exhaustion right now. That's why we're in this one. New Zealand USD right out of Asia session, or close to midday or New York. Let's see what time it is. Couple hours past New York session open. Just started a nice drop, and the news push yesterday actually helped bring that back in, but it kept ranging. Really nice. Let's see. On CAD, this is one we're going to be looking into of interest. We'll see how it handles. This is a nice low exhaustion, right across the board. So this could be taking off for a decent swing. So we'll have to watch this pullback area. GA, low exhaustion out of Asia and London, or dropped right out of Asia session to London. New York reversal right here. Our exhaustion is sitting. GN, same thing. Low exhaustion end of the day yesterday. Came below that by a little bit and shot right up for New York reversal out of London. I trapped a nice couple times out of Asia and just ranged like this all the way to the London condition and took off. EA, nice low exhaustion out of London and New York reversal condition. EN, we had a high exhaustion up in this area here. Came right down to the 200. GJ has high exhaustion that broke through, retesting the high exhaustion, sitting here, and most likely this definitely exceeded the ADR value of the daily range. So I definitely see this at least doing a comeback before the continuation of rise. AJ, the one that we're in right here, did a false breakout move, but notice price did not hit day range high yet, so I waited for any exhaustion after the day range high hit, and it happened up around here, and that's where we got in, around this area. EJ, same thing. I got some exhaustion here going on, and this dropped nice off this previous exhaustion. NJ, all sitting at high exhaustion, above day range high. Okay, Odd Chef. This is another one of interest. We had some high exhaustion in between, or out of London session, and New York did a nice reversal. Aussie New Zealand, high exhaustion between Asia and London session. Pretty much right off of London took off, but it did go off of this previous low exhaustion and immediately hit the off the news push. It did that right day range low hit and really took off from there. Catch up again, whatever news piece this was, but we had a low exhaustion, but it continuated and came down, hit day range low and took off from there. Got Jap, big player on the Jap news last night. We had high exhaustion here, midday of New York session, and came down day low and busted through a false breakout move. And after this false breakout move was over, it really ran to the top. So we're going to keep an eye on this for conditions for a pullback. Really, starting Friday, I believe, it has had this low exhaustion here, and it just did nice rise. It's above the weekly high now. So we're definitely keeping an eye on this one. EuroCAD went up to hit the day range high and now past day range low. EuroChef just pretty much respecting the 800. The buys and dips and the sells off the highs. Let's see. Euro Great Britain just ranging tightly with the 15-200. Great Britain CAD had some examples of beginning of low exhaustion here. Day range high hit and then hit day range low. Let's see, we had some low exhaustion here, but it dropped a little bit more, reset lower at a lower level and came up to the 800. Now looks like it's pulling back. New Zealand CAD. Let's see, we had day range high hit immediately, and pretty much from there it was all over right out of the New Zealand news from last night. New Zealand Chef, we're pretty much respecting the 200 and the 50s. It is locked above the 200 now, so interesting to keep an eye on this. Gold. We had some low exhaustion here. We could have took off. I do believe this will be definitely coming back for another pullback before, with all this news that's happening, we'll definitely have another opportunity to grab that again. Oil, we had the high exhaustion at midday of New York session. Pretty much right at New York session was the reversal, and it really just dropped nicely. It's at the monthly range low level again. So we'll see how this is going to retest the 50. Back off, leading with the index. We had the low exhaustion as of yesterday. It did pretty much just range around the 50 and came a little 10 points below this exhaustion and took a nice rise. Same thing, this exhaustion here, it went above it like by a couple 10, 15 points and then dropped into this low exhaustion. Okay, that's the conditions for today. Hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you later on. We're going to be watching the news all this week. We're going to pay attention to the red news events highly. We're going to see if we can grab an opportunity out of any of them. All right, thank you. Enjoy your day.